Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you're having a really good day so far. I am not running on 3 hours of sleep like my last video. If you guys haven't watched that, I will link it down below in the info box. But today I'm going to be doing a summer pickups fashion haul. A bunch of awesome items, prints, a lot of just summer items from FashionNova men. I'm really excited to be working with them in today's video. As you guys know, I've worked with them in the past. I picked my favorite items at the moment that I saw on the site. Let's just dive right in, all right? I'm gonna include the links down below in the info box. Starting off strong with this awesome shirt here that I actually really like a lot. This is awesome. Like, enough said. Look at the print. I really like this a lot. Like, I love the color. I don't know, this is very versatile. Perfect for summer, not too loud with the colors. You know, with the navy blue, the burgundy, the dark green, and kind of like the beige color. I really like this a lot. Plus, it fits me just right. I'm really excited about this shirt. Do you guys like this? Let me know below. Plus, I got these jeans, which I really like as well. This has this really cool two stripes on the side of the jean, just like a different take on the jeans. I call these my MJ pants, Michael Jackson. I don't know why, but I really like these a lot. I'm always a bit nervous getting jeans online because I'm picky about the fit. You never really know how they fit, but I'm really happy to say that these fit me really well. Not much else I can really say. These are called the Arthur striped skinny jeans. Yeah, do you guys like them? Let me know down below. And then speaking of stripes, I feel like I've been wearing a lot of stripes for the summer. I like these shorts here. They're a little loud in terms of color, something I don't normally go for, but I'm trying to venture out into new things, especially for summertime, trying to be more I guess colorful, but for some reason this really caught my eye. I would wear these with a white t-shirt, some white shoes, low top shoes. I also got this two-piece outfit which you can actually wear them as separates, but these are really cool floral printed shorts. Once again, really cool, very tropical vibes. Gonna take these on my trip as well. Like I said, I can wear this as a separate short with a different like type of outfit, or I can wear these with the shirt. It looks a little bit wide, so I will have to try it on and see how it fits. If not, I'll just, you know, switch it for another size. It seems a little bit big, but who knows, maybe it will fit me, but it's just the same print as the shorts. Ooh, and then I also really like this one here, which is really great, very summery. The material feels really nice as well, very light. But yeah, I love palm trees. As you guys know, I have a tattoo right here. No, that's not it. Wow. A tattoo right here of a palm tree. So I love me some palm trees. Boom, boom. I really like these for some reason, but they're cut off at the ankle. These are some black and white striped pants. I really like these a lot as well. I feel like vertical stripes are pretty flattering for everybody. Like I said, these might not be for everyone, but I personally like these myself. So probably gonna wear these with like a white tank top. Moving on to graphic t-shirts, I got this shirt here, which says work shirt, which I thought was pretty funny. Work. All right, I'm gonna stop. But yeah, I like this just work shirt. I feel like these will look really cool with the blue striped shorts that I just showed you guys, the blue and red striped shorts. And then I picked up this shirt here, which says finesse. Once again, it says Los Angeles, New York, Atlanta, Miami. Oh, I love this right here. So I got this kind of like loungewear type of two-piece here. These shorts, these black, really nice feel. I mean, these feel really nice. These are black shorts, has a nice stripe on the side and in the back pocket. This has the shirt right here, the top, which is a button down. Really nice quality. I have to say, this black shirt with white stripes. I don't know, I feel like at home I'm either just like underwear, a robe. I'm like choking over here. So if I'm at home, like I said, I usually am like underwear, a robe, or you know, stuff like this. By the way, I turned off the AC so it won't make noise, but it is middle of summer. I feel like I'm sweating, but it's all good. And then I also picked up this white denim jacket, which I really like. I've been looking for a white denim jacket. You guys know me, like I love denim jeans, denim jackets. The only thing I will say about this denim jacket is, it has distress on the elbows, which I really like that little touch. But I will say, for some reason, when I saw it online, I did not notice, or I didn't see for some reason, that the buttons are gold, which I'm not really a fan of, if I'm being honest with you. I thought they were silver, but it's white and gold. It kind of sucks because I like how it fits, so I don't know if I should return it. What should I do? All right, last but not least, I got another two-piece type of thing. I like these from the site because I can, like I said, wear them as shorts or just kind of like wear them together. But this, once again, a nice monochromatic, just black and white short for summertime. All I wear, as you guys know, are shorts in the summertime, especially here. And then I got the top piece that goes along with that. That pretty much concludes my pickups for summertime. Wanted to go through this fairly quickly, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My new fashion pickups for the summer. I have, once again, a lot of prints, so I'm gonna put these away. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna log off here. Hit like down below, links in the info box. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.